So it's looking like the PS6 might be twice as powerful than what we've already gotten out of the PS5 Pro. Let's talk about it. What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man. Welcome to, I don't even know what I want to call this yet. I'm thinking about calling this CKid News or Sit Down News. I don't know. CKid Sit Downs. I don't know really what I want to call it. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below how you guys are vibing with it. This is going to be a new format here on the channel, man. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling it. And make sure you comment down below just some suggestions on what we should call this this segment here on the channel. All right. So let's talk about the PS6 and kind of what we've already gotten out of the PS5 Pro and just kind of compare those two as to what we're hearing as far as rumors when it comes to the PS6. All right. So there is a known leaker out there by the name of Moore's Law is Dead Tom. Crazy long name, but he is a known leaker that is out in the tech space as well as the gaming space. And his predictions has been that the PS6 is going to be twice as powerful as what we've already gotten out of the PS5 Pro. Now, to me, I do feel like these are bold claims, but he even took it a step further and made it even more bolder, all right? He believes that the PS6 is going to be, in comparison to something like NVIDIA's GeForce 4090 graphics card, which, again, bold statement, man, because if you guys don't know, the 4090 graphics card prior to the 50 series cards coming out, if you guys don't know, is one of the most powerful graphics cards that are out there on the market today. Now, obviously, if PlayStation is going to be implementing something like this and putting a high power graphics card or something like that inside of the system, there's going to have to be some type of special mod version of this same chip to be just as powerful, because obviously something like NVIDIA's graphics cards are huge, and to put those inside of a console would just be, it would be a ridiculous size PS6. And I don't think any of us want that based off of what we already got when it came to the PS5. Again, 4090, man, I'm gonna be honest with you. I feel like if they did do something in regards to like a 4090 series, I would love it. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, who wouldn't want more graphics? I think the downside to this that I feel like everybody would most likely have an issue with, and that's gonna come down to pricing. I think pricing on something like this would easily put us into the realms of, I don't know, I'm just going to throw out a number, man. Don't beat me up too bad in the comments, all right? I'm going to say it's probably going to be somewhere around the $1,500 mark. I don't see them putting something as powerful as a 4090 graphics card or equivalent to a 4090's graphic card. Not just saying that they're going to put a 4090 in it, but something equivalent to a 4090's graphics card in it. I feel like that price tag, there's no way it can be under $1,000. There's absolutely no way this thing could be under $1,000. I don't see it. And to me, man, I think that would be probably one of the main issues or main problems that I would see if they did release a PS6 console that's going to have something equivalent to a 4090's graphics card in it. And again, let's be real, man. Who wouldn't want something like that? But I also feel like one of the other issues that we might face when it comes to a 4090 equivalent PS6 console is games. I think everything still kind of narrows down to the games, right? Will there actually be games that's going to actually be able to support this new PS6 being 2 times as powerful as what we've already gotten out of the PS5 Pro? Because let's talk about the PS5 Pro. In my opinion, the PS5 Pro, if I'm going to be real with y'all, I do feel like it was a bit of a money grab from Sony. I think it was Sony's way of saying, hey, we need to continue the tradition of coming out with a, we come out with our original PS5, then we come out with the slim version, and then right after that, they come out with the Pro version. They've been doing this year over year with their console releases that come out, right? Now, when it comes to the PS5 Pro, again, one of the issues that I had was the fact that we really didn't have any games to really support what we were told the PS5 Pro was even capable of. Pretty much what we got when it comes to the PS5 Pro, when it comes to games, we pretty much got re-releases. There was really no new games that really came out when the console dropped to really take full advantage of the PS5 Pro and all of the internals and everything that it can actually do as far as the features. Now, to me, if Sony is going to say, hey, we're going to be coming out with a PS6 console that's going to be capable of equivalent to a 4090's graphics card, then I think in order for us as consumers, us as enthusiasts of the PlayStation ecosystem, I feel like in order for us to really fully get on board with this new potential price hike that we could potentially see, I think it's going to be super important for Sony to work with their gaming studios and just other third-party studios to basically give us games that are going to fully be able to take advantage of what this PS6 is rumored to be able to offer. So y'all let me know down below, how are you guys feeling about a PS6 console coming out that is going to be twice as powerful as the PS5 Pro, that is again going to be equivalent to a NVIDIA 4090s graphics card, which again is one of the greatest graphics cards that is out on the market today? And how do you guys feel about a potential price hike being somewhere around $1,500? Would you guys pay $1,500 for a PS6 console that's going to have all the bells and whistles that the PS5 Pro didn't have? See y'all in the comments, man. Let's talk about it.